Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Set Pro. Today I will walk you through the process of getting a Schengen visa through Croatia, and I'll even share a trick for finding appointment dates and a cover letter template, so stay with me till the end of the video for all the details. But before we dive in, if you're here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. Your support truly encourages us to create more informative videos for you. Let's get started. First things first, you will apply for your Croatian visa through VFS Global. Open your web browser and search for VFS Global. Then click on the link vfsglobal.com. Now choose the country you are applying from. For this example, I'll select the UK. Next, select the country you will be traveling to, which is Croatia. Click on this option and it will take you to the Croatian VFS website. Once you're there, click on Apply for Visa. You'll find a step-by-step guide. Make sure to select the visa type you need. In this case, it is a tourist visa. Under the overview section, you can check if you require a visa for Croatia or if you can travel visa-free. As an Indian citizen, I would need a visa to enter the Schengen area. If you are unsure about visa fees, necessary documents, or photo specifications, I have linked the detailed video in the description where you can find all the information related to that. Also, I have linked it to the I button. Keep in mind that VFS will charge you an additional £25 as a service fee, which you will pay at the end of your application. Here is an important tip. Before anything else, check for available appointment slots. Getting an appointment can be quite challenging. To do this, simply go back to the previous page and click on Book an Appointment and Book Now. You'll need to register to log into this page. Click on New User and fill in your details. Your first name, last name, active email address, mobile number, password, and agree to the terms. Enter the CAPTCHA and click Submit. You'll receive an email from VFS having a link to activate your account. Since I already have an account, I'll just log in. Now click on Schedule Appointment. The visiting and residing countries are automatically selected. Choose the nearest center from your location. I'll select London. Then pick the appointment category. Here's the trick. If there are no appointments available under tourism, switch to Visa to Croatia. You might find appointments as early as the next day. Click on Add Customer to enter your details. Enter your passport number, date of birth, passport expiry date, nationality, title, and gender. Your first name, last name, mobile number, and email address will already be filled in by the system. Click Submit to get your reference number and click Continue. You can opt in for additional services like SMS notifications if you wish. If not, simply cancel the window and click Continue. You'll see a list of available appointment dates. Choose the one that suits you the best and click Continue. Please ensure you have enough time to gather all the necessary documents and funds before your appointment. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Confirm and Pay. Once the payment is processed, you'll receive an email with your appointment details, including the date and time. Make sure to arrive at the VFS Center 15 minutes early on the appointment date. Now pause the video and take a screenshot of this cover letter template. Now let's move on to filling out the application form. You'll find the link under the application form section. Click on Enter New Application. You can also check your application status here. Start by entering your basic details such as your surname, any previous surnames if you had, first name, date of birth, place of birth, current nationality, and nationality at birth, only if it's different. Then your gender, marital status, national identity number if you have one, or you can leave it empty. Provide your current address, postcode, city, street name, and house number. You can leave the legal custodian section empty as it's not mandatory. Enter the CAPTCHA and click Save and Continue. You'll get a serial number and a PIN. Please note that down. Next, select your document type. Assuming you have an ordinary passport, enter your passport number, date of issue, and expiration date. Specify the country that issued your passport and your country of residence. If you have a resident permit from another country, enter the document number and its expiration date, along with the country of residence. For occupation, choose the most relevant option. For students, it's the student category. Provide your employer details. Include the name, address, and telephone number. If you are a student, enter your university details and click Save and Continue. And if you are a student, you'll need a reference letter from the university to travel abroad. Now select your purpose of travel. I'll choose tourism. Enter your planned arrival and departure dates in the Schengen area. Indicate the number of entries you need and the total number of days you'll spend in the Schengen area. If you're traveling to multiple countries, provide those details, including the destination country and the country you'll enter first in the Schengen area. It's recommended to choose Croatia as your first entry if you're applying for a Croatian visa, as this can help avoid issues at immigration. And if you have a plan to travel to a non-Schengen country after leaving the Schengen area, you'll need a valid visa for that country. Please provide those details here. Declare whether you have had any other visas, and if so, provide the country's name, start and end dates. If not, select no. Select yes if you have given your fingerprints, or select no, and then click save and continue. On the next page, provide information about your guarantor or the person who invited you. Don't worry if you haven't been invited. Just select natural person. Below, provide your hotel information, including the name, address, street name, city, and telephone number. Under this information of residence, click on Same as Guarantor. These blanks will automatically be filled in with the details you provided earlier. Describe how you will arrange funds for travel and accommodation expenses. I recommend booking your hotel in advance and having the booking evidence ready for your visa appointment. Click Save and Continue. On this page, you can upload all the necessary documents before clicking Next. If you have any family members who are from European Union or European area or Swiss citizens, you can provide their details or simply click Finalize. Before finalizing, take a moment to double check all your details because you won't be able to make any changes after this step. Click on the print icon to get a hard copy of your application and save a soft copy as well. Since you have already booked your appointment, there is no need to click on Book Appointment again. If you found this video useful, please hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section and I'll try my best to get back to you as early as possible. Thank you for watching and all the best for your Schengen visa application. Jai Hind.